Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through fixing Twitch video pixelated so your stream looks sharp and clear. First, check your internet upload speed because low or unstable bandwidth often causes pixelation. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible. Next, open your streaming software and increase your bitrate within Twitch's recommended limits to improve video quality. Adjust your output resolution and frame rate. Streaming at full HD may require higher bitrate, so lower resolution if needed to stabilize the stream. Use hardware encoding if your graphics card supports it, reducing CPU load and improving clarity. Close background apps using internet or system resources. Finally, test your stream and monitor viewer feedback to make sure pixelation is gone. These steps usually fix pixelated video and make your Twitch stream crisp and watchable. Subscribe the channel for more videos.